I'm Juliette Sali. In this week's edition of IG Macro Intelligence, we take a look at the recent surge in Bitcoin and whether it's set for a boom or a bust. The world's largest cryptocurrency reached an all-time high driven by strong demand for Bitcoin ETFs. The token rose above $69,000 for the first time before falling back and has climbed about 62% so far this year. Driving the momentum is ongoing bullishness for spot Bitcoin ETFs, which launched in January. These ETFs now own 4% of all Bitcoins and have almost $50 billion in assets, according to Bernstein data. The demand for Bitcoin has also stoked interest in smaller coins like Ether and Dogecoin, sending the value of the crypto market above $2 trillion for the first time in 2 years. CoinGecko values Bitcoin's total market capitalization at $1.3 trillion, more than triple its $320 billion market cap at the end of 2022, or the so-called crypto winter. It is not just demand for Bitcoin ETFs which is sparking the rally. The upcoming halving, which reduces Bitcoin's supply growth, is adding to the positive sentiment. As is speculation, the US securities regulator may approve further spot ETFs, such as for Ethereum. Ethereum has risen more than 50% year to date and is trading above its former key resistance level of $3,500. It's around $1,000 below its all-time high of $4,721 reached in November 2021. And then there's the FOMO trade. Investors, including large institutions, worried they'll miss the boat, have driven up demand and therefore prices for crypto assets. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index uses market trends to determine the overall sentiment of the market based on where Bitcoin and other large cryptocurrencies are trading. Analysts are divided over whether the recent Bitcoin rally is indicative of further momentum or a bubble waiting to burst. JP Morgan's Marko Kolonovic sees Bitcoin surge above 60,000 US as indicative of froth in the market. He also cautions that the recent run-up is indicative of the dot-com bust, or when markets crashed in late 2021 after running up quickly in a post-pandemic euphoria. But other analysts say this time is different because there's institutional interest thanks to the approval of those spot ETFs and further demand for Bitcoin ahead of April's halving. Historically, Bitcoin's price value has surged after every halving event, with some analysts calling for Bitcoin to reach $80,000 in the next few months. Meanwhile, long-term Bitcoin bull ARK's Cathie Wood believes the substitution of gold for Bitcoin is well underway. We're only in March, but so far in 2024, Bitcoin has outperformed traditional safe haven assets such as gold. And that is your IG Macro Intelligence for this week. We'll see you next week.